Hi, GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news and Kwana Midi Bremo. Nasa wunya subscribe to the channel na necessary over subscribe. Udi obaya nese over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification no. Where is our video for be upload so once ever can be. I thought we are now like video no my nothing share my offer for so now when you be now watch. And
the reason why I'm going to talk about this has got to do with Paul Adom and then I say, a man for life, any and family. But when it gets to that point where people try to threaten a man for life, I will not allow you. And Paul Adom is doing that thing. Men say a bet to us because only about a relationship and I say oba say you don't push. Now, Paul Adom or the host our TV so our Ghana. Or yeah, Adiebi dangerous. And we all know Paul Adom is married. Makachremo has so many times. He sleeps with men and he sleeps with women. It's a fact. For about 6 years, he only end that room back. I don't care. And the people who are close to him, they know. For about 6, only end that one room that. He knows what he's doing. Now, Paul Adom our lifestyle be outside and a warrior. And I make us say, me, we have people like any more but I don't care. Obisu ni media, but the issue is say, try that level to go and threaten people. That's how they call for life. Too danger there. We will have to go public so that we can protect those lives. Now, Paul Adom and this guy, Paul Adom has started behaving in a way. We all need to speak about it because you will see the next day. Now, somebody's beautiful daughter
on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Now, Paul Adom was seeing this lady, and whatever happened in the relationship, I don't care. But Paul Adom is now threatening to kill this lady, and we have a lot to show. The reason why I'm speaking on this is say, when I looked at the story, and I'm going to say, no, something needs to be done. Paul Adom has been seeing this woman in Germany, and that they are matured people. In fact, 2 weeks ago, now Paul Adom was in Germany and does a lot of things, more videos and all that of what he does. But you cannot be a public person, sit on TV, say our life near lady, and I say live on TV. No, we need to make sure a man for be a share. That is why I'm doing this. You cannot have two lives. Obedina TV so now can call for some. Oh, and away they say, but you turn around and you threaten women that you're going to kill them because they don't want to be with you again. A hot and a hammy. And I'm sending this message to Paul Adom. We all know you have been dating this lady for some time. Whether the relationship is still on or off, the woman says she doesn't want to be with you again. Upon all the monies, dying 1.2 million euro, or Germany, we don't care about those things. And at the right time come out, we will talk about it. And I'm just sending this message to this guy. Your wife is a very respectable woman. Every time you go to UK, you get to Germany, whatever you did with this woman, no, money end and stop the threats. Say, oh, Kevin Taylor is trying to disgrace. No, I know. These are things. Oh, that's a Paul there or a celebrity or no be a picture. No, I know what I'm talking about. And if Paul is going to contest this and try to show her, I will show things that Ebia Neyeru will see Annan and Babi Hua. They might not be able to walk out of their house. The reason I'm doing this is that Mekacha Paul is saying, Onjai threatening this woman. If this one doesn't want to be with you, she doesn't want to be with you. Do not. Because you have there are a lot we can show. I don't want to go there. A lot of videos I can show. Bedroom videos that I mean ready. But stop threatening people. If you are you cannot force people to be with you. I am just sending this warning to you. You sit on TV, and I'll not be surprised that small girls don't watch TV. You are doing that to them. That is why anytime I say Ankaram good TV, so they look like there's something. I say Bibi Show also. Looks like somebody's touching them. I don't want to go there because may need a lot. But when you look at those kids now in Kranum Titi shows, you could see the kids are not themselves. And there are a lot of things. Paul, when I will see you show, we a public figure, do not. Ubet me we sika oko biesu we krasia among for millions a day out to Germany. It's okay. Stop threatening people. Stop it.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
And I want you to come
Hot
on TV and deny
time.
that you don't know this lady. I want you to come on TV. I'm giving you 1 week. A week. To come on TV and say, whatever I showed, and not the way who know TV, this is a lie. I want you to come on TV, on your show, and deny that you know this woman from anywhere. And that for the past years, because there's more I want to show. I want to see your reaction. I want to see, say, what you say. You are not using your position to threaten people. Don't do that. Politicians now do which now say stop it. This is an innocent woman. And you're in the best soap. So stop it. But I'm giving you a week. Come on TV and deny, say, you don't know this woman anywhere. You have not met her before. Because I have hold on a little bit. But the main reason why I make us ask when you say, stop that threat. Stop it. You're a bad man. You're a very diabolical man. Sikawa Pompegu Germany. Stop it. You are a disgrace to Christians. I am an audacity, me a per second. You are a dirty man. You are a filthy, dirty man. You are very unkempt, very dirty. You are somebody no one should look up to. You are a very filthy old man. Stinking old man. You are a very dirty man. Stop it. But I'm giving you a week. A week. Just 7 days. You need to address this matter. The threat part, I would have never. Because me, I have so many things I don't talk about because in hear me. But because of your wife and in quarantine, and I must stop with her. I'm giving you a week. Listen to me. I'm a nice person. Come on national television and apologize to this lady. That every threat that will threaten, you will never do that again in your life. I'm giving you 7 days. And yes, idea will be it's a very beautiful lady, innocent woman. Once I am so pet. And it's not just this lady alone. And no kind of hameno. I'm giving you a week. Otchere, a week. Come on your TV and apologize. And I'm sending this message to your wife. If she wants to keep her marriage, her sanctity, her respect in her church, amongst her peers, she should sit you down and tell you to apologize on national television. And the apology should go to every woman you have done what? Any woman you have threatened. Listen, because I want to tell you, it's not just this lady. You need to apologize to any woman you have threatened. And yes, sir, what you are going to see, it will be hard for you to step out of your house. You might commit suicide, I'm telling you. More santase, more abrepo, more swami. With my dear friend credit score. Comedy house credit score, oh bodam. Me say, a comedy boy is yem. A come at the boy is yem house credit. With my dear friend credit score. Mampon hine kro to him credit score. Oh cap credit score, oh bodam. Ye need ya house credit score. Oh kwa santimem. Nipa dodo amutuma MPP 99.9%. Omu ni my dear friend credit score. The only man say, well to the taxi, we call petrol dump. Yati petrol do so. Wako hospital, the health insurance ye juma. Okoto fufuo no ende enam no boafo. Fufuo na nam gusu se jin. Odo kwasi ati o se credit score. Who na dey friend credit score? Ah? Akwa we otwatro akwa we fundila we. We fundila we. Bawumia. Otwatro na etro ye fe. Bawumia is a liar. Oya true for. This guy is a bloody liar. And they also watch phones. Oh, Tomano. Now Tomana. And then the who Ghana for saying yeah jantra for phone na pay. Enti obehuna boys on social media, young men. Do you know? You don't understand. Bawumia say, Yatumana, obeto phone ama obia na 100 years na credit score say abuofunu. Una na oti anya nchiremu no credit score. Kwasiato, una na oti anya nchiremu no onim credit score. Uni my dear friend credit score. Me se man point hine mon friend mbra so meche credit score mu. Onim credit score. Ko kejetia obi oyedwuma obia 99.9 omu nyina obia nim credit score. Ye jade edwa. Ye ji force bill atia no aton eyi aton a wo se credit score ujimi ohun. Yeah, the force bail or force line so atetiano. Amamba be yi bi akoton me agye sika. What Jimmy think credit score? Who do I friend credit score? Ah? Okasa by heart. Now when you Jimmy for to social media, credit what is credit score? What did he? Patriot on the saying, "Hey, Petro boy for my credit score be we be aba form." Me say, Petro, say the boba for my America credit score the best crowd ultimate for hon to akoro nam santas no Petro the party Petro so opa ma dollar no embra 2 what about that credit score for so ni so credit score what you say munja jimi no now akwano nie now it's so interesting. Bawumia has been walking around the nation. Have you heard him speak about corruption? No. John Mahama every single day. Now, no Pokwajiman every single minute. Baby Jinebia, they are bold to say they have fought corruption and they will fight corruption. The statistics are there. Bawumia is scared to say I'll fight corruption. Because he's corrupt. Because he's a liar. Because he thinks you are foolish. Or just somewhere Jimmy. Or just somewhere Nimunyansa. Bawumia who wants to lead Ghana. And the Ghana, your biggest problem, corruption. Ghana, our biggest problem, corruption. And your corruption and Akufo-Addo because you're paying bush of one common say Ghana and your corruption. Argentina, the person who wants to lead Ghana, he's scared to speak on corruption. He goes before these chiefs in the northern region. He cannot tell them that I'll fight corruption and that this is what I have done to fight corruption. He can't say it because the why you think or you're incremoni munifiki or a dirty Muslim. Bawumia does not speak truth. Or you're munafiki. Bawumia is a liar. That is why he cannot speak about corruption. He is scared. He cannot open up when it comes to corruption because Oya Trofo. Bawumia is walking around the nation making noise. He cannot say I'll fight corruption. He cannot say I'll prosecute my own. He cannot say I'll prosecute Gabi. I cannot say I'll prosecute people who have stolen this government. Osro, because he is part of the corruption. Because Bawumia is going to inherit corruption. Or do you say Jimmy? Inheritance, corruption, inheritance. No, his name has been put down into obedi corruption adie, so he does not want to speak on corruption. Munafiki, into banza, into ultiminka corruption. Wasem. I am telling you, let him speak on corruption. He can't. Onamnoka phone wasem. Onamnoka phone wasem. He should make corruption his hallmark. Say his priority or we need presidency to be agriculture. Hey, I thought to say it was digitalization. So see, you have moved from digitalization, you are going to agriculture, and now in 2016, the people of Nalarugu and the people of Pandai, obeto tricycles abroad, and cultivators, liar. He's shifting goalposts. He's a liar. When we say in Koforum did Jimmy, he cannot stick to one thing. Bawumia has no principles. I thought you said your priority was digitization. Oh, everything was on digitization. 2-3 years ago, digitization and now and the way I can also agriculture. What happened to planting for food and jobs? Nothing. When this say your priority is agriculture. So right now, digitization is not a priority. Talk about corruption. Talk about how you have fought corruption. Now let me tell you something. Abochi the enkafun de when obi can abochi the enkafun de enka de yeden entafo de dwa hey wallahi Kelvin mutum banza Kelvin feel basa but Kelvin sometimes any statement hey shut up entafo de dwa e say okọ eye mosizongo okọ ni ma de wo film fucking omo de so ma nipa ni omo di nkwa so me ka kire omo ya okay so me ka kire omo okọ eye mamobi okọ eye asawase ni omo nyina some ntafo no mo film me feel omo so feel omo ka shita me ka shita kire omo nim se me de me correct omo me sro bia o in time for me so tani bi ana tani bi ansuro me see sa ayi mungu yaro we eye yaro de eye phone de ode dey yaro wo de phone ye dey in time for the Kelvin but Kelvin what lie serious attention hey how's that Otchere me onya din cheme that way I'm feeling Mr. Article go way for Kelvin I see our boys this year say Kelvin wallahi Kelvin bawasaba not feeling 100%. Sometimes his statement I was hey shut up yodi sala ba wo de onya din go sala be jira Kelvin wala shut up
yo it for me ka say jiltéd so e na wo hwe se we na subscribe ya let's just say but mo dia na subscribe na like to video no that feel so wa share ama ofoforo so enye bi na wa hwe also betimi akire wa kin Afriyie and se we na ho e wo comment box ni obeti me in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.